Hey, Everett, let's check this one out, buddy. So we have a function, f of x equals 1.3x cubed minus 33x squared, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And what we have here is 2 points. We have 0, and we have f of 0. And remember our notation, y equals f of x. Okay? So basically, if I'm saying f of 0, that means x is 0, find y. All right? That's what that means. And if I said, f of x or f of 3 equal 10, well then that's what the y is, okay? Or f of x equals 10. That's what the y is. So here we have points. We have an x and a y, and an x and a y. We can really, as we read the graph left to the right, we could think of this as x1, y1. We can think of this as x2, y2 if you want. Now, the average change of the function, remember the average change is really just computing the slope. So it would be f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and really all we're doing here is just figuring out the slope, right? Remember, this is kind of the same as y2 minus y1, only we're using function notation. And what this is, that's a straight line. So that's called the secant line. It's the line underneath the curve that connects these 2 points. This will become more important if you go on and take calculus, which I hope you do. But anyway, for right now, what we're going to do is really just find the slope of this. Okay, so we have our points, we have our x values. We know it's 0 and 4, but now we need to evaluate these two things, f of 0 and f of 4. So let's evaluate f of 0 first, and what that means, we're going to go up to our function, and wherever we see an x, we're just going to throw in a 0. So that's going to be 1.3 times 0 cubed minus 33 times 0 squared. I'm using brackets too. It just helps keep the negatives and stuff straight. Plus 266 times 0 plus 571. Okay, so anything times 0, 0 cubed is 0, this is gone. 0 squared is 0 times negative 33, that's gone, that's gone. So f of 0, I'll put it up here, f of 0 equals 571. So we've evaluated that function now. Let me erase all that, and we'll do the same thing with f of 4. I'll write her down here though, get a different color. Okay, so, but really f of 4, again, we're just going to blast that in. That's going to be 1.3 times 4 cubed minus 33 times 4 squared plus 266 times 4 plus 571. Okay, running out of room, but you get the idea. All right, so let's take her down here. And we're just going to continue down here. So 4 cubed is 64 times 1.3. That's going to come out to be 83.2. We'll do our next term over here. 4 squared is 16 minus 33. Minus 33 times 16 is going to be negative 528. Plus 266 times 4. That's going to be 1064. So we'll put a big plus on there. 1064 plus 571. And now we'll just combine all those. I'll use the add machine, so bear with me here. 83.2 minus 528 plus 1064 plus 571 equals 1190. 1190.2. Alright, so f of 0 is 571. F of 4 is going to equal 1190.2. Okay? So now we've evaluated our functions, and we can find the slope now. So let's blast this in. F of x2, which is essentially the same as this one right here, because this is f of x2, f of 4 if you will. We're going to blast that in. That's going to be 1190.2. We're going to subtract that from f of 0, which is 571. Remember, we found that up here. And we're going to divide it now by the differences in our x's. So that's going to be 4. Take away 0. Okay? And then we'll just subtract on the top. We're going to subtract that from 571. It's going to give us 619.2 over 4. 4 take away 0 is 4. And 619, if I divide that out by 4, we're going to get 151.8. Okay, so there we go. That is the slope. That is the slope of this secant line, that red line right there that just runs directly from those points. Okay, so that's part A. No clue what part B is. that's up to you, buddy, but you should be able to kill that now from there. Yeah, if you got any questions, let me know.